lot of girls be thinking my songs are about them, but this is not to get confused. This one's for you. Baby, you my everything. You all I ever wanted. We could do it real big, bigger than you ever done it. You be up on everything. Other hoes ain't never on it. I want this forever. I swear I could spend whatever on it.
We are on our way to the pier.
To do something we don't know yet.
I don't know what we're gonna do. What are we gonna do, guys?
George on? I said first.
They always fight like that.
It's my birthday, so
That's why he has to pick.
Decide.
That's why you have to pick.
No.
I finished my sentence before you did.
You guys have to surprise me. Fuck you.
You know what? You're right.
So
It's cool.
Well, you're the one who said that. Yeah. I can't agree with you. Well, we agreed to disagree. That's an agreement.
We're not a married couple, so no. Any day now.
George being an idiot. Look at that.
What up, boys?
The poor guy was like, this is an idiot jaywalker. Look at him. All by himself.
Sexy.
Yeah. Chubby and nerdy YouTubers.
I don't believe it.
I really was.
This episode needs more George.
No.
All on George.
No.
Say that in the comment box and George will have his own vlog.
Not even. Not after.
That's what you said.
Not unless you have 26.
You said 25.
You said 25.
Okay, 25. Not
Subscribe.
24, like I said. Subscribe.
We need 23 more.
25. Not you guys.
Who said it was us?
Well,
Son?
I said YouTube community.
Who said we were?
Aren't we part of the YouTube community?
Yeah.
No.
Do we make videos on YouTube? Yes.
Do we watch videos on YouTube?
Yes.
And you have your answer. I should buy a bike lock here.
Yeah. I need to buy a bike.
I need to learn how to bike.
We could have fucking pumped Victor's bike, but meh. Fucking asshole.
Now there's gonna be 2 bird noises.
Should make something bird noises.
Like 1 parakeet, 1 macaw.
Yeah. One for each bird. You guys already use Flux, so that's dope. Asshole.
Not in front of the kitties, George.
They're learning anyway.
Sorry, kitties. Keep walking.
Subscribe.
They're on your YouTube channel.
GSVnation, we keep it cheap right now. Signing out. Wait, no, we're not.
Oh, yeah, we are. No.
I want to say Phillips. Hate it. Hate it. Hate it.
Hey, look, a mousetrap. I think. Caution, poison. Yep, that's a mousetrap. I know that. You know why I know that?
Because you have one?
Yeah.
Well, he has a sticky one.
Beautiful San Francisco, ladies and gentlemen. We have arrived. Howdy. Look at the fog in the distance. Where's Alcatraz? Right there. I know you have, George. Not as a tourist.
I never did.
I know.
You did say you're getting old.
How does that relate to
We got George's birthday donuts.
Happy birthday to
Seaweed.
Happy birthday
It's tomorrow.
to George. Happy birthday to George. Happy birthday to you.
Get it?
And not too many more.
Seaweed. I did. That'd be so sad.
I'll let you have my camera so I can get a Sanyo.
Your mom be like, I dropped my camera in the ocean.
In the ocean.
Can I get a new one?
You want to donate to the camera light?
George, eat your fries.
I'm done.
What the hell?
I'm trying to stay healthy.
Those are healthy. Sean has heartburn and he's eating them.
Yeah. George is vlogging.
No, he's vlogging.
George is vlogging.
Oh. This is on camera, George.
It's a video vlog.
Welcome to...
Exclusive. This is the future.
You're going to see that in like 2 months.
Yeah, as soon as we 23 more subscribers.
So for all you wondering where we are. Oh, duck. Duck, flying duck. Shake it. Shake it. Those donuts.
Do the donut dance. Do the donut dance.
Oh, vlog number 2. Picture number
George is still vlogging. George is...
That's a good shot. Oh, it's good camera work. Eat your fries.
I'm done.
No.
I'm trying to stay healthy.
These are healthy.
Sucking up a lot.
Look, they don't have any calories on them. You look all around this bucket, no calories.
Yeah. There's also no fat and cholesterol and trans fat.
Doesn't say it there.
Yeah. In case you're wondering, we do live in San Francisco. Oh, this isn't new to
No,
us.
this is Oakland.
That's the Bay Bridge right there. That's side San Francisco.
It's a fly.
You gonna fly off me?
Yeah.
Thank you, Sean.
I saved your life.
There's a bee on your face.
Now Sean would run.
I remember I did that once. Bee in. Did you get stung by a bee though? Oh my god.
That was cute.
That was horrible. Seagull.
We should feed the seal. Let's throw a donut at a seal. Is that legal?
No.
Oh man, why not?
You
like donuts.
There's usually a sign that says don't feed the animals.
But they're seals.
They become all mad or something because one guy got it and the other didn't.
So? Well, we got enough donuts to go around.
They fight each other.
Yeah, they're like you see those. You see when birds fight?
Isn't there a sport called cockfighting?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
like
I love playing cockfighting.
we can go bet on seals.
In the Philippines, yeah, they do cockfights.
Shit.
Like there's 2 cocks in. Some people are
How many cocks?
a lot of cocks. I mean, 2 cocks, like one-on-one cocks.
Oh, okay.
Chickens. Roosters.
Yeah, all kinds of cocks.
Yeah. Well, they also strap knives onto legs.
Oh my god.
They really do strap knives to legs.
And
That
the dead cock becomes dinner.
Oh. Have you eaten one before?
No.
Oh, okay.
I've seen them. Like they're like ones that aren't sanctioned.
Of course, all 3 of us have seen one. It's just none of us have eaten some for dinner. We never will. Have you tried bison?
Oh, I want to try bison.
Delicious.
I want to try a bison burger.
Oh my goodness.
Oh no. Protect the donut.
That was so freaky.
Give it one. Give it half.
Don't give it any.
No, you cannot.
Oh, damn. They're attacking. Don't poop on me. Oh. It's okay, go ahead. Go ahead. No, go ahead. Go ahead. No, I did it. They found it. Where's the trash can? I haven't seen that before. vicious creature. Look at that big Look at that big one. Look at that.
Okay, we're sort of.
There are no more donuts though. Happy birthday, George.
Yeah. No, it's kind
This is the best birthday cake ever.
kind of scratchy.
Oh, you have a scar?
No, now I'm just pretty like a best day of my life.
How does your hand feel?
Normal. I love this time of year.
I just didn't want you.
It happened again, folks.
Alright, cut. Why are we walking so fast? Epic music time here. That was great music. Hi, George. Wait, was it you that provided the alcohol, or was it Victor?
Victor.
Yeah, it was Victor. What are you talking about? I never provide alcohol.
Yeah, what are you talking about? Yeah, Victor provided rubbing alcohol to our wounds. Oh, dude, did I hear that? What? He did. No. He did it. He did the young hummer.
Did he? Oh, here we go. Here we go. Sock market.
You're gonna be fine, Victor.
The sock market. We are at the sock market. George's rocket arm. Overthrown again. Way overthrown this time. You should wait for less, so it doesn't go that far.
I want to like see if I can get through the trees.
Through the trees.